Taga-ano na ko, manghula ko.
Sige.
Pag nawalaan kita, girlfriend na kita.
La!
Siguro ngayon lang nakakita ganda lalaki.
Joke lang.
Joke
Pwede
lang.
sila, pwede dili. Joke lang.
Give it. Give it.
Kala ka na.
Kinikilig na naman ako.
Never thought that I could love someone as much as I love you.
Sa isang sulat mo ay nabihan ako.
It's my life.
Hi guys, ito na, sample na pa. Kantayin ako ni Ma'am. Ay, shoutout mo lang. Ano? Ay, sino na Tagalog ba?
Ay, okay na
Sige, sige, sige. Tagalog, Bisaya.
Bisaya. Ay,
Bisaya na lang.
Ay, kahit English mo pa.
Remember that. Put it in your mind.
Okay, shoutout sa ano pangalan mo?
Well, my name is...
English pa ka. Blue split, ano mo?
Ako si Tisha. I'm from Cagayan. Ay!
Nakakanta na kita, Ma'am.
Tarod.
Nakakapila, nakakapila.
Sige, kapila go.
Tapos i-rate mo, i-rate from 1 to 10. From 1 to 10.
Siyempre, 10 na lang. Kaya namin.
Kawin shoutout.
A few moments later.
When I touch you, I can't believe that you are real. How did I ever fall with you? You are the dream that saved my life. You are the reason I survive. No, you're running out of baby. I never thought that I could love someone as much as
You are the girl of my dreams.
I love you. I know it's crazy, but it's true.
Oh my God! Wow!
Never thought that I could need someone as much as I need you. So, I love you. Give me 5. I love you.